What do you do? I wanna go first, dude. This is, what's this?
Yum? This
What's
is
the
the
yum burger kami?
Aloha ba to? Aloha yum.
Amazing aloha po.
Okay. Then di
Parang lumate na siya. Oo nga, parang
Lumate na
lumate.
siya. Napipila po.
Hindi dati di ba champion?
Wala.
Aloha champion. This is only Aloha yum. Okay. Confusing. Pero may Aloha champion.
Opo, meron po.
Shit. Newbie. We ordered the wrong thing. Aloha yum and Aloha champs. Two different things.
Alright, so we're gonna leave that chicken for last. Okay, we're gonna start with the burger. With the burger, right? It's the Aloha,
yeah.
Aloha yum burger.
So basically, mali yung order na.
Yeah.
We wanted the champ, but
I wanted the champ. Does that have the pineapple?
yes. Pineapple, bacon, and burger.
What do you do? I wanna go first, dude. Whatever, alright. Oh, they're good. I'll take a bite on the other side. Ano pa? We should split it para sabay yung ano.
Different. It's different.
Oh, I'll take another bite.
Take my last bite kasi may pwede pa eh. Wait, where's my
That's
bite?
juicy, by the way.
Where's my bite? This one?
This
Okay,
side.
I'll just-
Everything just works with this burger. Love it.
It's the special sauce. I don't think it's the pineapple.
The special sauce.
There's a yellow-green dressing right there.
They put the best combination for a burger ever. You get the pineapple, you get the bacon, and then you got the sauce. This burger is from the year 3000 or some shit.
But early 2000 isn't it? Dati lagi kong in-order yan nung bata ako.
Oh man.
Ano next? Spaghetti.
Which one do you want? You can show the spaghetti. They gave one.
Okay, it's okay. World famous Jolly Spaghetti. Bright red cheese with hot dogs.
Alam mo, wait, just
Yeah,
ano
mix
lang,
it.
mix it. That, I think, rarely I see spaghetti with cheese nowadays. Parang
What?
yeah. Hindi, I'm being serious, like rarely. Like, I think, eto na lang yung parang nakita na.
Alright, you wanna try this first?
You
Then you
on
tell
it.
me. Ako nag-review kanina. First. I want tissue.
Like if you, konti na lang, well, you can put parmesan, pero konti na lang nagsiserve ng yung,
Ako hindi ako mahilig sa matamis na spaghetti, but this one's okay. Very, very sweet. Lahat ng review na nakita natin, yun yung comment dyan eh. Sobrang tamis.
here we go. Did they change yung timpla?
No,
Parang
it's the same. I think they changed something. Tama. A
Parang
year
there's-
ago.
it tastes different.
a newly jolly spaghetti. Pero I don't notice it. Okay.
Diba? Parang
Smoky.
parang something's changed. I don't know, but you know what? It's good. It's not like parang it's not like the change is drastic or anything. Yeah, something's different. It's really different. You can tell.
Parang gusto ko na mag
Chicken joint. Alright.
Teka, ubusin natin to. Last na ako. Sige na, last. Ilang pirasing hotdog? Nakaisa pa lang ako. Ikaw.
I haven't been counting.
Pero nakakain ka na ng hotdog.
The hot dog there.
Wala.
Ano yun? Yeah.
Nakakain ka na ng hotdog dito.
Yeah.
Ilang piraso na?
I don't know. It's mixed.
Okay. Kasi parang konti eh.
But they changed it. They changed the taste. Hindi nga. Seryoso.
Okay.
Something's really.
Okay yan, carbo load.
Something
May game ako
different.
later. It's enough. Sarap. Pero masarap pa rin kahit parang iba. Ang tagal ko na yun kasi hindi nakakain yung kumakain ako niya pero hindi ko naman ina-analyze anong lasa.
Hindi,
Alam
ngayon,
ko lang matamis siya.
ngayon lang talaga, it's very evident. Something's very different with yung sauce. It's
Or baka
it's
may
changed
iba
na.
lang yung gising nung gumawa. Kalimutan niya na nasobrahan sa pagtagay ng sauce or pag-boil hindi al dente yung pasta. Pero more or less, it's the same.
Yeah,
Slightly different, but mostly it's the same.
slightly different. I'd agree with that. I'd agree.
Nakalimutan natin patay yung music.
It's fine. It's...
Yeah.
Pero dapat hindi eh.
Chicken? Chicken.
It's really
Chicken
nice.
time. World famous chicken joe.
With chicken, man, because this thing, it's a chicken time bomb. What I mean by that is it's gonna lose its crispiness.
Someday.
Pick it up.
Chicken joy. Tatlo lang yung gravy, so
It's okay.
you can get this one. And then this one extra. Damn. Ano ang favorite part mo?
No way.
Drumstick lahat.
I'm easy. You can get
-1 point.
You can give me anything.
Okay. Pero anyway, magandang bagay dito yung drumstick.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it with the. Which one's yours?
This one's fine.
Okay.
Oh, crispy pa din. Oh, masarap. Maalat.
Real good.
Pero hindi ako makapaniwala, lahat drumsticks. 6
Holy
pieces.
shit.
Drumstick.
All of them drumstick. All of them drumstick. Take a look.
Disappointing. Hindi nila alam shoot namin yung video eh.
No, I think that's the reason why they gave us drumstick. Is because the
No.
lady saw us shooting. I got the camera up here, so she probably gave us
No.
like something na para ba kailangan portable.
Actually, pag bumalik tayo dun, papalitan niya.
Yeah. What are the chances? Like 6 pieces. 6 pieces. Look, all of them drumstick. I like the
Big parts.
leg.
Yeah,
The leg part. Yeah. I'm a leg guy.
Sobrang disappointing naman na full drumstick. Anyway, it's still good.
It's yeah.
Sarap pa rin.
I'm gonna come close so that they could hear this shit. Something about this chicken. Really good.
Sarap, sobrang crispy, tas saktong alat.
Yeah. I don't see this not working in any other country. I mean,
Saka sakto to pag di ka pa kumakain.
solid. Very solid. Hear that shit?
One last stop was peach mango by tayo.
Hear that shit? Yo. You're not charging. Camera's still rolling though. You know something about this chicken? Kakaiba. It's really crispy. Kakaiba siya sa KFC.
What?
It's crispy.
I don't wanna compare.
I'm not comparing. No. Like KFC, masarap, but it's not crispy. Like everyone knows that. Like it's there's definitely like
They don't market
Ready?
it that way.
yeah, it's not crispy. But if you want like crispy fried chicken, you gotta go to Jollibee. You gotta go to Jollibee. But if you want like soft breaded chicken, I don't even know what I'm saying, but you gotta go to KFC.
Hindi, maganda
Both
dito sa
good.
Jollibee. Aside from it's crispy, the meat itself, super juicy,
Yeah.
evenly.
Yep.
Even yung pagka-juicy niya.
If you can't afford a drink, there's always the gravy. Bad idea. Shouldn't have done that.
Sobrang alat niyan.
Oh, we got the ube.
So they have a new product. The ube pie. Magkano? Magkano?
It's like 30
30
pesos.
Kasi yung 3-in-1 nila, 90 pesos.
It's like, that's the... What the?
What?
Show how small that is. Show how small that is. That is so small.
I think yung peach mango pie na naman.
Is it?
Or baka McDonald's ang iniisip kasi natin.
Yeah, I know McDonald's is much more bigger than that, but what the?
Anyway,
That is so small. Look. What?
literal pala.
That's- That's why they had to sell it 3-in-1 because
Yan, literal. Ube. Pagkain ng matunda.
it can work. But I prefer jelly, like sort of like a jam, like a syrup, like that.
Sakto lang. Hindi masyado tayo.
I'm gonna like this when I'm 65 years old. But now-
not for me.
Not for me.
Although, don't get me wrong, mahilig ako sa ube.
I like
yung
ube.
ube roll ng Goldilocks or ng Red Ribbon ba?
Yeah, like ice cream, ube ice
No,
cream.
yung cake.
You know how this would be good? Pag niref mo siya. Yeah, it's almost like this is gonna turn into ice cream.
Tapos balikan mo when you're 65. So,
Probably top that.
di pa ako over dun sa chicken joy na lahat. Lahat. Drumstick.
Lahat pala, no? It's very misleading kasi
Alright.
it looks... You know what? You buy it. You buy it because... Alright, I'll buy it.
Favorite ko
That is it.
Meron bang isa tayong ganito? Ano yung tuna pie?
Yeah. We're gonna leave that
Something
next time. We'll do that next time. I prefer that.
Gusto ko ito.
Yeah. Woo!
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
6 pieces drumstick. Thumbs down. Thai part kasi gusto ko tsaka wing eh.
It's not too bad. I mean, it made it easy for us to eat.
Yeah.
You know. You know what's amazing about this? How many minutes na tayo nag-drive? And yet, still crispy. Not even soggy.
Hanggang bukas yan.
That's crazy. Well, I think we're gonna leave it at that. Siguro, we'll do another video. I don't know what's next. It's gonna
Chicken
make...
joy na Thai part.
Serious? No, naman. Be sure to subscribe because we're gonna try to do more of these stuff. As long as our hearts don't explode, definitely to keep eating these. We're gonna end up there.
It's a veteran's way, by the way.
Alright, we're gonna cut it off. See ya.
Bye.